tell me what is it you're doing here? What are you making?
Rum punch.
Yeah? And so how do you start that?
Squeezing lime.
Okay. How many limes are you going to use?
I'm going to use 2 lime in this rum punch.
You're going to make a whole pitcher?
And then I'm going to add some syrup.
Syrup?
And then I'm going to add some rum.
Rum?
And then some ice.
Ice. Well, that sounds pretty straightforward. And then it's going to be amazing.
And when you try it, you could...
Are you going to drink some too?
I'm going to share it for me and you.
Okay. Rum punch. Jamaican yardie style.
Let me when you go back home, you could make rum punch.
Alright.
And have your friends come over.
Yep.
Then you remember me.
Yeah, maybe you can come to the party. Come to the party. To be fair, we're also cooking some other food. So while we wait for our food, we're gonna do this. So you don't measure that?
No, I don't. I don't put a lot in there to get it too crazy.
Oh, because you don't like so much sugar?
No.
Okay.
I just use it to color.
Okay. To give it the punch pink.
Yeah.
Is that the overproof? You've been rubbing all over my sick body.
I'll just have some for you.
Somehow in Jamaica, I got a cold. Can you believe it? It's crazy. Why you jump like that? Oh, in your eye.
Your line.
Okay. You okay?
It's burning.
You want a washcloth? I have eye drops.
You should find sweetheart.
Yeah, it'll fine.
Someday you need some burning.
True.
Put your little bit of water in there.
Okay. Water. Not just water. Water.
Water.
Water. For sure. I did half of what's left. Is that it? We have rum punch. We do the taste test. That was me helping. I said that was me helping.
You're part of the team.
Yeah, man. Team Jube. Team Ross.
Team Erica.
Team work. Taste test. And?
Taste it by yourself.
Okay, taste it.
Tell me what you think.
Tink. What do I think?
Thinking.
What am I thinking? It's nice. That tastes just like rum punch. Cheers.
I give you my secret.
Cheers, Jube.
I give my secret to my friend.
Well, show me that pink sauce then.
This pink sauce. You could get this one.
Bulk syrup fruit punch. Okay, so it is fruit punch. Well, there you have it, folks. Rum punch yardie style.